www.linklinkgo.com, helping you find what you need and stay protected online.
Linklinkgo.com search engine. How to use this search.linklinkgo.com search engine for advanced search. This search engine empowers you to navigate the digital world safely and also helps you to get information easily and quickly. So what do you mean by advanced search? Advanced search means filtering your search result by your search query. So how you filter your search result by your search query? You just need to click here to learn this. Advanced search operators, taking your search on the internet to the next level. Google Docs operators are the search operators that can be used to refine and customize Google searches for more specific result. They are often used by security researchers, web developers, and hackers to find information that is not easily available through normal search query. Here are some popular Google Docs operators. Note that the Google Docs operators and search operators work on almost all search engine, and also note that you are also able to use more than one search operators. Here are the most commonly used search operators. You just need to learn this. Example, file type is a search operator that allows you to search for a specific file type like PDF, doc, PPT, TXT, and more. There is a lot more in title, info, map, books. These are the most commonly used search operators. You need to learn this. If you like to learn more about these search operators, then visit a website called Google Exploit Database. You need to learn this exploit database. Okay, so if you like to improve this website or this service, so you just email us suggestions@linklinkgo.net. We read your suggestions and try to improve this search engine and website for you for free. So no worry to use this. This is a very good search engine and more powerful than any other search engines because they provide you access to navigate the search engines. So this is a very powerful search engine. You use this for so many purposes: for information gathering, for searching a query on different search engines. This is the most powerful search engine. This is for free to use. And if you like to learn more about how to do search on the internet and about your data privacy, so you just take this course. This is also a free course for you. We just designed this course on how to search on the internet and find your desired information easily, and how you protect yourself from internet bad things like cybercrime, cyber attacks, cyber fraud, cyber scam, and an online distraction. So you also have access to this course. This is a free course. When you take this course, then there is also a practice questions. When you solve the practice question, it means you learn something from this course. So also take this course and share with your friend this course and this search engine, search.linklinkgo.com, with your friends. They also aware about this and they also use this. They have also a video how to use it and what is search.linklinkgo.com search engine. For this you just need to open video, then play this video. They will play the video, and in this video you learn about this, how to use this search engine. So thank you so much. If you have any suggestion, as I ask you, you just need to share us email on suggestions @linklinkgo.net to improve this website and search engine for you. Here are the few examples to use this linklinkgo.com search engine for advanced search. Suppose you are looking for a cake recipe in a PDF form and you search this query: how to make a cake. Okay, then search this query. Then they show you a lot of websites like Google, YouTube, Bing, DuckDuckGo, Yandex, Yahoo, Wikipedia. Suppose you click on this Google. Then they show you this: how to make a cake and how to make a cake. They show you the videos, and but as I asked you, you are searching in a PDF form. So how you search in a PDF form? You need to use Google Docs operator and search operators. So for this we need to use this file type operator. File type, then we need to enter here PDF, then this, then PDF, then press enter. Then you are also able to go, suppose we need to search this on Bing. So as you see, they're showing search result in a PDF form. Okay, suppose we need to click on this PDF, search query, download this and open this. Okay, the PDF is opening. My system is not too advanced in hardware, so that's why they're taking that much of time. No worry about this. Here you see this result. This is as I asked you, by using Google Docs operator and search operator, you are able to find information in any media form like PDF, JPG and other. So for this, no worry. Then suppose we have another query, like same this query, but we need this how to make a cake by using different search operator. Suppose we are using this double quote operator. Okay, so that operators find the extra match, find the matched this sentence web pages. Okay, on the internet. So here you see, make your best how to make a cake. They're showing extra match search result, how to make a cake from scratch. So they're showing you the result with this sentence: how to make a cake, how to make a cake. So by using these operators, you are able to search more deeper and more quickly your information on the internet. Just now for this, you are able to use this search engine and operators. For the reference, you are also learn this. For more search operator, you need to visit exploit database. These are the basic and most commonly used search operators. So keep using this and save your time on the internet, on the searches, and bye bye.
Please share, subscribe, and like this website with your friends, and support us by sharing our mission of spreading awareness about cybercrime and cyber fraud scam and guiding you on how to protect yourself from these on the internet. Please subscribe and like.